In this video, I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, go to Pikzels AI and sign up for an account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on New Chat to start a new thumbnail project. Now, you'll need a prompt to generate your design. You can quickly create one using an AI tool by asking for a YouTube thumbnail idea based on your topic, including the text you want on the image. Once you have your prompt ready, copy it and paste it into Pikzels. Then click Generate. In a few seconds, your thumbnail will be created. At the top, you'll see a score that measures how effective your thumbnail is based on metrics like curiosity and virality. If the score is not high enough, click on Analyze, then select One-Click Fix to automatically improve the design. You can repeat this step until you get a higher score and a better-looking result. If you want to make manual edits, click on Edit, use the Selection or Brush tool, and type what changes you want to apply. Once you're satisfied, click Download to save your thumbnail. And that's how you create thumbnails using Pikzels AI quickly and easily. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.